guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a PR parcel turn up from Born Pretty and we've got some new products in here today, guys. So we've got 2 of the new Aurora solid extension gels. We've got another one of their Silky White series gel polishes, and lastly we've got 2 more new gel polishes. These are glow in the dark. So we're going to give them all a little swatch today and take a look at them. And then I think I will do a design with them in the next few days. So I'm going to get them all unpacked, then we'll get swatching. I like how these come in a box. So you get 15ml in these pots. Ooh, look at the label. That's pretty. I like it. So this one is NSG 21 and this one is NSG 20. Right, so we're all unpacked. Let's get some swatching done. So we're going to start off by swatching this Silky White series gel polish first. It looks like a really nice neon green. So the colour of this one is CG95. These gel polishes are really nice to use as well. They apply really nice. In fact, I like all Born Pretty gel polishes, to be honest. But I like that these come in 10ml bottles. Oh, look how bright that is, guys. That is after 1 coat as well. Wow, I know neons can be a little bit hit and miss. That is really good coverage for 1 coat. Well impressed with that. So I'm going to give that a cure. So now we're on to the glow in the dark gel polishes. This one is NG001. That's a really nice shade of pastel yellow, isn't it? It's a nice light shade. It's going to be great for some spring designs. Then we've got NG004. I'm so happy I've now finally got a white Born Pretty gel polish. I'd say this first coat is more of a milky white, and then after the second coat it was more of a brighter white. But you'll see at the end of the video when I show you the swatches what it's like after 2 coats. Can you see it's kind of more of a milky white after that first coat? It's nice though, I like it. Right, now we're going to take a look at these Aurora non-stick hand extension nail gels. So this one is NSG 20. Oh my days, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh, let's get it swatched. So I want to try these over a clear. And I want to try it over a black as well. See what they look like. So I'm just going to put a glove on because I find these easier to use with my hands. Oh wow, look at that, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. Right, now we're on to NSG 21. Look again at this one, guys. How pretty is that? So beautiful. Can't wait to get this one swatched as well. Oh my days, look at that. I actually think I prefer that over the purple one, believe it or not. That is beautiful. I definitely need to use this on my nails next. Look at that when the light hits it. stunning. Right, let's give that a cure. Now, I want to try these over a black because I think they are going to look amazing over a black. Because these Aurora colours always look better over a black, don't they? So, let's give it a try, shall we? So, I'm just moulding that to the same shape as the swatch stick. I'm not too worried about how neat it's going to be because I can neaten that up with a file at the end. If you find that your glove's sticking to it, just dip it in a little bit of water. That's all it needs. You don't need no slip solution or nothing. Wow, look at that colour, guys. Do you know what I can see? I can see like some galaxy nails or something like that. I'm going to give it a cure and then I'm going to file it and top coat it, and we'll take a look at it all filed and top coated. Be able to take a better look at it that way. Oh my goodness, look at that colour. That was so much easier as well, doing it on the inside the swatch stick. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. That is absolutely beautiful. Do you know what I think these are going to be good for? I think they're going to be great for making little charms with as well. I might do that actually. I might make a little charm. Should we have a... yeah, should we make a little charm quickly? Yeah, let's make a little charm, see what they look like. So I've pulled out this cute teddy bear mould. And I'm going to pull out a tiny bit of this solid extension gel and pop it in the mould and spread it out until it's filled. Right, now I'm going to give those a cure for 60 seconds. Right, should we take a look at these now, guys? See what they look like. I think they're going to look really cool. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my word, guys, look at those. And obviously, whatever background colour you're going to have them on, they're going to look different every time. I really like them. How adorable does that teddy look? It's actually a Paddington Bear teddy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but... yeah, it's a Paddington Bear teddy, and then you got a little paw print and a little sweet. That is so cute. And you could also paint the back of these black, and you're going to get that more of an Aurora effect. So if you paint the back of them black, they're basically going to look like that. So you can see them even more over a black. So I think I would probably paint the backs of them black, just to make them stand out more. How cute are they though? They're adorable, aren't they? Oh, I'm well happy with this stuff. Really, really happy with this stuff. I've got so many ideas in mind what to do with it. Right, so let's have a quick look at the swatches again very quickly. So these are the Aurora non-stick hand extension nail gels. So they are what they look like over a clear. They're still beautiful, aren't they? Definitely want to use them on my nails next. I love them, especially this one. They are what they look like over a black. Look at those. Wow. I'm really seeing some galaxy nails with this purple one, you know. And having that as the background colour. Can't wait to do something with these, you know. So that's those. Then we've got the neon green gel polish, which is this one. Super, super bright. Gorgeous. And then lastly, we've got these two glow in the darks in white and yellow. They're going to be great with us now going into spring. Perfect colours, and I'm so happy that I've now got a I've only got a white Born Pretty gel paint, so I'm really happy I've got a gel polish as well now, even though it is glow in the dark. It doesn't really matter. Right, so who is ready to see these glowing in the dark? Let me turn all the lights out and we'll take a look at them, shall we? Who is ready to see how bright they are? Ooh, they're so bright! Look at those! They are well bright. Look at them glowing on my hand. Oh, wow. I'm like a big kid when it comes to glow in the dark stuff. So that is now everything, guys. Let me just pop the lights back on. That was a quick little swatch. Oh, and these, I forgot about my little charms as well. Forgot about those. Ah, look at these. So cute. I like him. He's so cute. So that's everything, guys. A little swatch video for you today. I will be doing something with some of these products this coming week, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. I've got so many ideas in mind, I don't even know which one to do first. Everything that I've showed you today, I shall leave the links for in my description box below. Don't forget, you can also save yourself 10% off the Born Pretty website as well, using my discount code, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is GG10. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 10% off. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as well, please, guys. I'm going to be putting a giveaway out very, very soon because I'm trying to hit 1K now. I'm so close. So if you're not already subscribed, guys, please hit that subscribe button. You haven't got to have your notifications turned on. You haven't got to watch all my videos. But please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.